How to use Threads app. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use that. So for that, let's open Threads app in your phone. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So once you log in or sign up in Threads app, you guys will see that type of interface. So for using that, here on downside you guys can see inbox type. So when I click here I can see my messages like Instagram. Also, when I click on that plus, here I can share whatever I want. Like it's like a post where I can share text, gif, videos, pics, and even I can share other things like TXT or other things. Now we will go to simply the heart one. In heart one, I will see who followed me and who liked my thread or etc. Also on right, you guys can see profile. So when I click on profile, here I can see my profile. Here you guys can see threads. In threads, you guys will see all posts that you posted. In replies, if you someone reply to you, you guys will see here. In media, if you uploaded any videos etc, it will show here. In repost, if you repost any thread, it will show here. So that's how you guys can use Threads app. Thanks for watching.